welcome to my channel. My name is Sun. Yeah, I'm here to summary today in English Chinese with you guys. In 2 days, yesterday is Sunday and I have a lot of tasks. So yeah, I was until midnight, so I can't record the video for you guys. So today I will do it. Okay. I have some tasks. I change my plan. Every week I will change my plan a little bit. So this week I buy a few movies uh, in 1 year. It's have uh, 99 VND. Yes, 90 99,000 VND. VND. Okay. Okay. And yeah, it's make me feel better when I improve my listening skill, my speaking skill. I can use some words, some phrases from this movie to use in a daily life, to conversation, to communicate with others. Okay, that's all my day. Uh, I yeah, I just I just finished the lesson with my native speaker teacher. She is Russian and she's beautiful. So that's all. That's all my 2 day. Yeah. Okay. That's just okay. See you soon.